Mastering ISO 9000. We're flying blind without a bulletproof plan to tackle nonconformities head-on. Which processes and procedures does our organization have in place to identify and address nonconformities and corrective actions, ensuring that we take prompt and effective corrective action to prevent recurrence, and how do we continuously monitor and evaluate their effectiveness in achieving operational excellence? To ensure operational excellence, our organization has established a robust system to identify, address, and correct nonconformities, thereby preventing recurrences and continuously improving our processes. The following procedures are in place. Identification of nonconformities. 1. Internal audits. Regular internal audits are conducted to evaluate conformance to our quality management system, identify nonconformities, and opportunities for improvement. 2. Employee feedback. Employees are encouraged to report any nonconformities, near misses, or areas for improvement to their supervisors or through our suggestion box system. 3. Customer feedback. Customer complaints and feedback are documented and analyzed to identify nonconformities and areas for improvement. 4. Process monitoring. Key performance indicators, KPIs, are established and monitored to detect any deviations from expected results, indicating potential nonconformities. Addressing nonconformities and corrective actions. 1. Initial response. Upon identification of a nonconformity, an initial response team is established to assess the situation, contain the problem, and prevent further damage. 2. Root cause analysis, RCA. A thorough RCA is conducted to identify the underlying causes of the nonconformity, using tools like fishbone diagrams, 5 whys, and fault tree analysis. 3. Corrective action plan. A corrective action plan is developed, outlining the necessary actions to correct the nonconformity, prevent recurrence, and implement improvements. 4. Implementation and verification. The corrective action plan is implemented, and the effectiveness of the corrective actions is verified through subsequent audits and monitoring. Continuous monitoring and evaluation. 1. Corrective action review. The effectiveness of corrective actions is reviewed and evaluated regularly to ensure that they have prevented recurrence and achieved the intended outcomes. 2. Performance metrics. Key performance indicators, KPIs, are established to measure the effectiveness of our corrective action process, including metrics such as corrective action cycle time, closure rate, and recurrence rate. 3. Lessons learned. Lessons learned from nonconformities and corrective actions are documented and shared across the organization to prevent similar occurrences and promote continuous improvement. 4. Process reviews. Regular process reviews are conducted to identify opportunities for improvement, optimize processes, and ensure that our quality management system remains effective and efficient. Management review and continuous improvement. 1. Management review. Top management reviews the effectiveness of our corrective action process, including the identification of nonconformities, implementation of corrective actions, and overall performance metrics. 2. Continuous improvement. Opportunities for improvement are identified and prioritized, and resources are allocated to implement changes and improvements to our processes and procedures. By following this structured approach, our organization ensures that nonconformities are identified and addressed promptly, corrective actions are effective, and our processes are continuously improved to achieve operational excellence.